Here is a severe weather tip from ABC 3340.
Alabama is one of the few places in the entire world with two tornado seasons. One comes during the springtime months of March, April, and May. The second tornado season in late fall, in November and early December. It's very important during those times of the year to be sure you can hear severe weather warnings in your home. The best way of getting those, a NOAA Weather Radio.
This severe weather tip is brought to you by Publix, HPH Properties, and Farmers Insurance.